To be honest, I'm super grateful, man. It's something that I wouldn't take for granted. I feel privileged. Not all housemates receive or had that pleasure to receive money from friends. It shows how much fans love you. So for me, thank you so much for the support. It's something that I wouldn't take for granted. At any given day, I'll always be grateful.
Mina Uyanda is thanking his fans for donating for him. Yasho nje ukuthi ubonga kakhulu Tandla Ndlule ekhanda wonke umuntu lokhonile ukuthi abe nale nhlanhla yokuthi abamdonatele, but uyasho ukuthi uyabona indlela nemthanza ngakhona. Ubonga kakhulu imali sebakhona ukuyihlanganisa for Uyanda kuma donations 880k iningi kakhulu guys. Nemali leyo ngeke uzoyidobhe and iyakhombisa ukuthi bantu bamthanda ngendlela lesimanga. So basically naye he's a winner nedi ngoba ngani bekufanele kunemunye umuntu. So if bekuna two bantu definitely naye kuba uwinile, udlale kamnanzi kakhulu umfana and simthanzile. Siyafisa futhi kumbona ukuthi aphinda abuya kuma screens ethu, simfisa kangisho lokhu nhle inhlahla yodwana. Such a humble young man from Eastern Cape. Please to comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.